How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. So right here you can see that you have added one bio. Well, if the bio is written in English language, the C translation option won't be visible to anyone. So in order to add the C translation option, what you want to do is first of all tap on edit profile. First of all delete the bio that you have written in English language and then enter the new bio with different language. Once you are done, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Well, once the bio has been added with different language, the C translation option will be available. In order to check it out, let me head over to my alternative account. In the search bar, search for your previous account. Move into the profile. And there you can see that the option of C translation is available. You simply need to tap on it. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add or remove the C translation option on Instagram bio. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.